Welcome to our video on matrices in R programming. A matrix is a rectangular grid of numbers arranged in rows and columns. It's a key concept in mathematics and data analysis, allowing us to handle and compute data efficiently. In R, matrices help us organize and manipulate data in a structured format. Today, we will explore how to create, manipulate, and perform operations with matrices. Let's dive in. Creating matrices. In R, you can create matrices using the matrix function. A matrix is a two-dimensional array where each element is of the same type. Let's start by creating a simple matrix. Here, we have a matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns filled with numbers from 1 to 4. The n row and n col arguments specify the number of rows and columns respectively. Matrix by row. Another useful argument is by row. By default, matrices in R are filled column-wise, but if you set by row is equals to true, the matrix is filled row-wise. Accessing matrix elements. You can access elements in a matrix using row and column indices. For example, example_matrix in square brackets 1, 2 gives us the element in the first row and second column. You can also use functions like nrow and ncol to get the number of rows and columns. The dim function is used to check the dimensions of the matrix. Matrix operations. Matrices support various operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Let's create 2 matrices, example_matrix 1 and example_matrix 2, and perform some operations. Here are 2 by 2 matrices. Let's add them together. As you can see, addition is performed element-wise. The same goes for subtraction. We can perform element-wise division with matrices. We can divide each element of one matrix by the corresponding element of another matrix. Pure matrix multiplication. Now let's perform pure matrix multiplication. Unlike element-wise operations, matrix multiplication requires that the number of columns in the first matrix matches the number of rows in the second. This is called matching inner dimensions. In this example, we have 2 by 3 matrix and another 3 by 2 matrix. The inner dimensions 3 from matrix 1 and 3 from matrix 2 match, allowing the multiplication. The result is a 2 by 2 matrix. If the inner dimensions don't match, R will return an error. For instance, if we try multiplying a 2 by 3 matrix with a 2 by 2 matrix, R will give an error because the inner dimensions aren't the same. R expects the inner dimensions to be compatible for the multiplication to work. And that's all about matrices in R. We have covered creating matrices, accessing elements, and performing operations. Try experimenting with different matrix sizes and operations in R. Thanks for watching.